Alright guys, welcome back to another Roblox studio tutorial. And thank you for joining this video. And in this video, I will be showing you how to make a trail shop in Roblox. So when you pick up a coin that's on the ground, you can get the coin, or you can do it some other way. You don't have to have a coin that's on the ground and pick it up. You can just have a basic money system, or however you want to add your money into the game. Yeah, so you can buy trails in a shop. So let's work on this right now. I'm going to start going to the starting screen GUI. I'm just going to make the whole GUI so we get that out of the way. I'm going to say trail shop. And then I'm going to insert a frame. And I'm just going, put that in the screen GUI. I'm going to give this an anchor point of 0.5. And I'll position that 0.5 on the X and on the Y. So it'll be right in the middle of our screen. And I'm going to size it. I'm going to give it 700 on the X. 500 on the Y. There we go. So, I'm gonna call this background, and I'm gonna insert. I'm actually gonna turn off the border. I don't like the border. I'm just gonna remove that. We're just gonna insert a text label. Actually, you know what? Never mind. I'm gonna insert a text button into the frame. I'm also gonna insert a grid layout, so it will format the buttons for you. And yeah, every time you duplicate it, it will duplicate. I'm gonna make the padding 10, so we have more space here, more space in between. See right there, we have enough more space. I'm gonna make it. Alright, so here are our buttons. So when you click on one, you will get the trail that's assigned to it. I'm gonna start making a trail. So I'm gonna make this frame invisible. I'm gonna make a trail by going into replicate storage at the plus sign. I'm gonna look for trail, and I'm gonna design my trail. So go into the trail you put in replicate storage. I'm gonna make this rainbow trail. And if you want to be more organized, you can just say, you can put a folder in replicate storage and put the trail in that. Call the folder trails. Just so for organization purposes. Alright, now I'm gonna make the rainbow trail. Alright, so I'm gonna choose the colors for it. I'm gonna make the first color blue, blueberry. Oh, I don't know what happened there. Alright, let me try this again. It's not working. Alright, I'm gonna make the next color why isn't this working? Alright, never mind. Trying to make a rainbow trail, it's not working. Alright, now it's working. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it the colors that I want. I'm gonna do yellow for here. Lemon, and I'm gonna finally finish it off with a nice orange color. Give it tangerine. So yeah, that was like a rainbow trail, I would say. It's not too bad. So yeah, that, and then just close it when you're done. So we got a rainbow trail. I'm gonna make a couple more just for the example. I'll make 2 more. I'll just make this one. I'll just make this one blue. I'll just make this a blue trail, and I will hold on. And I'll just name the trail Blue Trail. And finally, I'll just do a red trail. So just name it Red Trail and just make the color red. Alright, so those are our trails. I'm going to open up the frame, the shop frame again. I'm going to make sure the button is named exactly the same as what you named your trail. It can't be spelled wrong. I'm going to make this the rainbow trail button. Actually, no, I'm going to make this the red trail. It doesn't matter. I'm just trying to make this one the red trail. I'm going to make this one, I'll make the background red, just so it makes sense. I mean, actually, you know what? Never mind. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to make it whatever. I'll just make it like a green color. Alright. And I'm just going to make the text say, red trail, red trail. And I'll scale that. Actually, I'll size it up. Forward, I'll make it size 35. Nope, I want 30. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna duplicate this button now. And I'll name this Blue Trail. Make sure it's spelled exactly the same as it is in the Trails folder. Like it says Blue Trail here, all uppercase B, uppercase T, and it has to be spelled the same here. I want to change the text of this to Blue Trail. And if you want, you can even change the text color of it just to be more creative. Doesn't matter though. But yeah, that's just for customizing it. You can customize it any way you want. And then finally, I'm just gonna add the rainbow trail right here. I'm just gonna name this Rainbow Trail. Alright. I'm gonna give it a text color of red. It doesn't matter at all. I'll give it a I don't know. This part does not matter. Let's give it like a pink color. Magneto. I'm gonna change the text to Rainbow Trail. Size 25. No, I'll just do 35. No, let's do 30. Alright, there's our buttons for the trail. And that's it for the shop. I'm not going to customize the shop anymore. You guys can do that if you want, but this is just so I show you how you can actually code the shop and the buttons. But yeah, I'm pretty much done for the customizing of it. So now we got that done. Gonna make this invisible. Let's make a leaderboard real quick. So I'm gonna go into service. I'm gonna insert a script, and then I'm gonna say game dot players. Oopsie, not that. Players dot player added connect function, and I'm just gonna say PLR stands for player. Local stats equals instance.new folder, and I'll parent that into the player. Stats.name equals leader stats. Make sure it's a lowercase L. The whole thing has to be lowercase or it will not work. Local coins equals instance.new int value. Parent that into the stats folder in the player. coins.name equals coins. Coins. The value is equal to 50. All right. So we'll have the leaderboard on the. Let's name the strip leader stats. So the leaderboard is all done now. Let's make the coins. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna just insert a cylinder into the game. I'm gonna just make it look like a coin. Just gonna scale it sideways. I'm gonna make it bigger. Just like that. It's nothing much. It's not really much creative or anything. It's just like a basic way to make a coin. I'm just gonna make it size, like make it thin. I'm just gonna make it thin, so 0.5. Oh wait, alright, never mind that. I think this is fine actually. Yeah, this is fine. So I'm gonna color this like a nice gold color, so it looks like more like a coin. Alright. We're gonna name this coin. We're gonna make it can collide equal to false, so you can just walk right through it, but you'll still collect. Actually, yeah, you'll still collect it. So now what if I want to make a cool spinning effect, so the coin will spin around, looking really cool. If you want to make it spin, so all you gotta do, go into the coin. Actually, I'm gonna name this coin, and insert a script inside of it, and just say while wait 0.007 at 0.7 do script.parent dot cframe equals script.parent dot cframe dot times cframe dot angles 0 comma 0 comma math dot rad 20 degrees. So let's see if this works. I'm gonna run the game. And oops, it fell out of the game. You know why that happened? It's because I forgot to anchor it. Actually, yeah, I forgot to anchor it. Gotta make sure it's anchored. And now we'll see that it will start spinning. But that's not the way I want it to go. So let me fix that. I don't want it to spin like that. I want it to turn around. Maybe just see, you gotta test it sometimes. Just trying to test something. Let me just turn this off so I can scale it. There we go. I just want to make it more thin. Alright, let me try running this. I'm kind of confused why it wouldn't work. I tested this earlier, it did work. So let me try 40 degrees. That's not what I want. I don't know. Alright, that's not too bad. You know what? I think if I just say 0 for right here in the on the Y, that won't work. I mean that will stop, and maybe it'll work now. Good. I don't know. I don't really like the way that's working, but I'm not gonna keep messing around with the script. That's good enough for me. Yeah. So we got our spinning effect. Um, and I'm just gonna code the coin real quick. And you don't have to have the spinning. It's just a little cool effect, like a bonus almost. I'm gonna insert. I'm gonna insert a script inside of here. I'm gonna name it collect, and I'm just gonna say script.parent .touched connect function hit if hit.parent find first child humanoid then so if you touch the coin and if the hit.parent has a humanoid in it, then we know it's a character. I don't know, let me just actually no. Alright, so I'm gonna make a variable above this local once touched equals false. So this will just check if the player has touched the coin already, so it won't give more than what you're supposed to earn. Like this is worth 1, pretty much. I'm just gonna make it so it's equal to 1. But so if you wanted to give more, I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. And also, guys, I'm probably gonna make a part 2 to this because this is gonna take a while, and I haven't even gotten to the shop scripting yet. But yeah. Alright, so we're gonna say if actually do and once touched equals to false. Local player equals game.players. Skip player from character. Hit.parent. Player.leaderstats.coins.value is equal to this player.leaderstats.coins.value plus 1. So I'll just give 1 coin. Or you can do more than that. I can do 100 if I want. And then I'm just going to say once touch is equal to true. So it will only give you 100 coins right when you touch it. And I'll play the game. Let's make sure if that works. And I'll probably end it here because this is going to be a long tutorial. I want to keep it up in sections. Like I'll make a part 2. So let me touch. We have 50 coins already because I gave me 50 coins in the leader stat script. But yeah, if I touch this, I'll get 100 more coins. And let's see. Look at the coins value up here. And you see, it changes to 150. And next, what we want to do is we want to spread this coin around the map, and have it keep spawning in. But yeah, and I'm gonna try fixing the spin if I can, so that will look much nicer. That will be for part 2. One more thing before I close this video out is I'm gonna just make sure that we get rid of the coin, so we remove it. So once you touch it, I'll just say script.parent remove, and that will take care of it. So when I touch it, it will remove. It will remove itself from the game. So yeah, there, guys, that's how you make a coin. If you want, you can just spread them out, on the map, like just duplicate them everywhere. but eventually a player is going to touch all of them and there's not going to be any more left. So I'll show you how to spawn them all over the map and it'll continue forever. That will be the next tutorial, guys. I hope this tutorial helped you out. This is only part 1 of how to make a trail shop in Roblox using coins. And I thank you guys for watching. Part 2 will be the next video. So thank you guys for watching. Hit the like, subscribe if you're new, comment. See you guys next time. Peace.